next concept is binary codes. The next concept is binary codes. Why we are using binary codes means, so here the digital data is represented, stored and transmitted as a group of binary digits or group of binary bits. So the group of bits are also known as binary codes. Why we are using binary code is nothing but the digital data is represented or stored and transmitted as a group of binary digits, or we can say that group of binary bits. So the group of bits is also known as binary codes. It will be represent both the numbers and letters of the alphabets as well as many special characters and control functions. So you know that the system will understand mission level language, that is zeros and ones. So in keyboard there are so many number of keys are there, right? So each and every key has a decimal value. That decimal value will be converted to zeros and ones. So that's why here a binary code represent both the numbers, letters of alphabets as well as many special characters and control functions. So in keyboard, whatever the keys are there, so each and every key has a one value. That value will be converted to zeros and ones. Okay, so there are different types of binary codes are there. The first one is weighted code, second one is non-weighted code, third one is sequential code, fourth one is reflective code, fifth one is alphanumeric code, sixth one is error detecting and correcting code. Error detecting and correcting code. So these are the different binary codes. So what are the different binary codes? So there are different types of categories, classifications of binary codes. There are different classifications of binary codes. So those are weighted code, non-weighted code, sequential code, reflective code, alphanumeric code, and error detecting and correcting code. Okay. So in this weighted code, what is the weighted code? So what is the weighted code means? A weighted code, each digit the position of the number represents a specific weight. So weighted code is nothing but each digit position of the number represent a specific weight. For example, you can say one decimal number. So the decimal number is, I can write 765. So this is a digit, right? So this is the number. In this number, each digit position of the number represents a specific weight. In this digit, each number specifies a specific digit. So 5 means it is a ones place, right? 6 means tens place, and 7 means 100 place. 765, right? So in that number, each digit position of the number position represent a specific weight. So here weight of 5 is 1, right? Weight of 6 is 10. Weight of 7 is 100. Is it clear or not? So that is the weighted code. That is the weighted code. So weighted code is nothing but in a number, each digit position has specified some weight. So that is called as weighted code. For example, you can take one decimal digit. So in that decimal digit 765, 5 weight, what is the weight of 5 means 1. What is the weight of 6 means tens. What is the weight of 7 means hundreds. So then we can say that 765. Okay, that is the weighted code. And you know that 8421 code, right? 8421 code. So already we discussed one shortcut method how to convert from decimal to binary values, that is 0 to 9. So values means we can place a BCD code, that is 8421 code. Okay, binary coded decimal. So in that BCD code, we are using 8421 code, 2421 code, and 5211 code, 7421 code, 7421 code, 74 minus 2 minus 1 code, 84 minus 2 minus 1. So all these are coming under the weighted code. So what are the examples of weighted code means? So weighted can be categorized into two ways. One is binary, another one is BCD. What are the some examples of weighted code is nothing but here 8421 code, 2421 code, and the next one is 7421 code, 7421 code, and the next one is 74 minus 2 minus 1, 74 minus 2 minus 1, and the next one is 84 minus 2 minus 1, 84 minus 2 minus 1. So these are the different examples for weighted code. So based on that weights, we can write the decimal numbers, that is BCD numbers, binary coded decimal. Mostly we are using 8421 code. Okay. And the next one is non-weighted code. What is a non-weighted code is nothing but in non-weighted codes, codes are not assigned with any weight. Non-weighted means these codes are not assigned with any weight. Okay, so with any weight to each digit position. That is, each digit position within the number is not assigned a fixed value. Not assigned a fixed value. So some examples of non-weighted code are XS3 code, XS3 code, and gray code. XS3 code and gray code. Okay. So what does a non-weighted code means? So in non-weighted code, each digit position within the number is not assigned a fixed value. So here we can assign some fixed values, but in this case we cannot assign any fixed value for each digit in a number. So those examples are for non-weighted code is XS3 code and gray code. Okay, that is the example of non-weighted codes. And the next one, coming to the sequential codes. In sequential code, each succeeding code is one binary number greater than its preceding code. In sequential code, each succeeding code is one binary number greater than its preceding code. So here, what are the examples of sequential code is nothing but 8421 code, XS3 code. So those two codes are sequential codes. So here sequential codes are two types. One is 8421 code. Another one is XS3 code. These two are also example of sequential codes. Okay, so sequential code examples are two methods. One is 8421 code, another one is XS3 code. What is a sequential code means? Each succeeding code is one binary number greater than its preceding code. Okay, then it is called as sequential codes. And the next one is reflective code. So what is the reflective code is nothing but gray code is nothing but it is a reflective code. So gray code is nothing but it is a reflective code. So gray code is also a reflective code. I will explain in that gray code. Okay. And the next one is alphanumeric code. So alphanumeric code, or what is the purpose of alphanumeric code means here the code which consists of both numbers and alphabet characters are called as alphanumeric code. What is the alphanumeric code? Is nothing but the code which consists of both alphabetic codes and numeric codes. That means both numbers and alphabetic characters are called as alphanumeric codes. So in this alphanumeric code, it will be used ASCII code, EBCDIC code, ASCII code and EBCDIC code. What is the ASCII full form? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What is the full form ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. The next one is EBCDIC. So EBCDIC is nothing but Extended Binary Code Decimal Interchange Code. Extended Binary Code Decimal Interchange Code. So in alphanumeric codes, we are mostly used two alphanumeric codes. One is ASCII, another one is EBCDIC. ASCII is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange. EBCDIC is nothing but Extended Binary Code Decimal Interchange Code. Okay, why we are using these two alphanumeric codes means, so ASCII will represent the 7-bit code, whereas EBCDIC will represent the 8-bit code. That is the main difference between ASCII and EBCDIC. Okay, ASCII will use 7-bit code, whereas EBCDIC is used 8-bit code. Okay, so how many symbols in ASCII will represent means, so I can say ASCII means 7-bit code. That means 2 power 7 means, so 2 power 7 means 128 symbols. 128 symbols. So in that particular ASCII table, how many symbols represent? How many symbol data will represent means 2 power 7. 2 power 7 is nothing but 128 symbols. Okay. Whereas EBCDIC is nothing but it is a 8-bit code representation. How many symbols it will be there? Totally 256 values. Totally 256 symbols. Okay. So that is the main difference between ASCII and EBCDIC. Okay. Is it clear? The next one is error detecting and correcting code. Error detecting and correcting code. Okay. In this error detecting and correcting code, we are using Hamming code. Why we are using error detecting and correcting means, here, for example, you can take a group of bits. That means a message. You can transfer from source to destination. Okay. So here, when the digital information in the binary form is transmitted from one circuit to another circuit, or one system to another system. This means you can transfer the data corresponding the values ones and zeros. Due to presence of noise, the values may be changed from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. To maintain the data integrity between transmitter and receiver, the data is sending to the sender to receiver, but the receiver don't know whether which data can be transferred from the sender. So the receiver can check whether the information is correct or not, that is receiving message is correct or not. How it will be correct, detect and correct means by using error detection and correction code. By using error detection and correction code. So for that purpose here we are using error detecting and correcting code. So it is also called as a Hamming code also. It is also called as a Hamming code also. Okay, so error detecting and correcting code means when you have to send the information in the binary form from one circuit to another circuit or one system to another system, but due to presence of noise, the data will be changed from 1 to 0s or 0s to 1s. But the receiver side cannot know which information can send from the sender. So the receiver, receiver can do means, so whatever the receiver can accessing the information from the sender, so the information or message check by using error detection and correction code. So if there is any error, no error means don't worry. There is no error means okay. If there is any error will be detected means how it will be correct means by using this method it will be error detection and correction is used. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So then we will discuss BCD codes. Then we are going to discuss BCD codes. So what is a BCD full form? What is a BCD full form?
Binary code decimal.
Yeah, binary code decimal. BCD full form is nothing but a binary coded decimal. So what are the values between the, what are the values for BCD values? BCD values. From 0 to 9 only. From 0 to 9. Okay. The next one is BCD code. BCD code. What is a BCD full form? Binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. So BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. So BCD is a numeric code in which each digit of a decimal number is represented by a separate group of bits. Each digit of a decimal number is represented by a separate group of bits. Okay, so here BCD is a numeric code in which each digit of a decimal number each digit of a decimal number is represented by a separate group of bits. Separate group of bits is known as BCD code. So the most common BCD code we are using 8421 code. The most commonly BCD code we are using 8421 code. Which code you are using? The most common BCD code 8421 code. Okay. So here in which each decimal digit is represented by 4-bit binary number. So each decimal digit is represented by 4-bit number. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. So here 8421 code already you know na. So 8421 code already you know. So what is the weight of 1 means 0, right? What is the weight of 1 means 0. So it is a 8421 code. So this means that bit 3 has weight 3, right? The bit 2 has weight 4. The bit 1 has weight 2. The bit 0 has weight 1. Is it clear? So here it will be weight 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here what is the weight? This 8421 code is a weighted code. Just now we discussed it, right? So here bit 3, this is a bit 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 2 power 0, 1, 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. So here the bit 3 is indicates as, what is the weight of bit 3? 8.
8.
What is the bit 2 has weight? 4.
4.
Yeah, next bit 2 has bit 1 has weight 2. Yeah, bit 0 has weight 1.
1.
Yeah. So for example, according to this definition, each digit of a decimal number is represented by a separate group of bits. Okay. So already you know that BCD values, that is 0 to 9 values, you know na? We already discussed the 8421 code, right? So here for example 153 is a decimal number. Convert into BCD. 153 is a decimal number. Convert into BCD. How you will be convert that? Each digit of a decimal number. So this is the decimal number. Here you can take each digit in the decimal number is represented by a separate group of bits. So each digit has how many number of bits? 4 bits only, right? So 1 means 0, 0, 1. 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. Already you know na? So this is the BCD code. So for the decimal number, this is the equivalent of BCD code. Is it clear? How you can represent the decimal to BCD? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So then we can again I will write a table representation for BCD code. Table representation for BCD code. F61A0F1 5F1 is nothing but third section, right? A decimal digit and it is equivalent BCD code. Decimal. Here I can write a BCD code. Okay. So decimal means 0 to 9. Base is 10, but the values are 0 to 9. Yes. So values are 0 to 9. And mostly we are using BCD code is which one is 8421 code, right? 8421 code. Here the digits are 0 to 9. Yes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So what is the 0 value? All are zeros. All are zeros. Next 1. So this is the weighted code. 8421 is the weighted code. So 1 means at one place you have to place 1. Remaining values you can place zeros, right? Yes or no? The next one is 2.
Yes, ma'am.
2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. Why? Because the weight is 2. So where you can place 1, then you will get 2 means you can place 1 at 2. Then you will get remaining values are 0. That means 2 value will come 0, 0, 1, 0. Next 3. 3 value.
0011.
Yeah, 0011. So why? Because here the weight means 2 plus 1 nothing but 3, right? So then you can place at place 2 and 1 you can place 1, remaining values are zeros. 4 means
0100.
yeah 0100. 5
010.
yeah 0101. 6
0110.
yeah 0110. 7
011.
yeah 0111. 8 1000, right? Yeah. 9
1001.
yeah 1001. Okay, so these are the values decimal to BCD code representation. So this is the 8421 code. Mainly we are using weighted code in BCD code. So in this BCD values are 0 means 0000. 1 means you can represent 001. 2 means 0010. So like this we can write decimal to equivalent BCD code values. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next one. I will tell you some examples, write that equivalent BCD codes. For example, consider decimal value 185. Consider decimal value, for example, consider the decimal value 185 and its corresponding value in BCD. And its corresponding value in BCD. And its
001
corresponding
and
value in BCD. Yeah. 000,
001. 1
001,
1000.
1000.
0101.
Yeah, 0101. So like this, we can represent the decimal equivalent BCD value. Is it clear? So in the decimal value, you can write each and every individual digit, we can write the BCD code. So by this way, we can convert decimal to BCD conversions. Is it clear? BCD?